Are you interested in seeing the quality of cut that you can get out of a Toro Greensmaster 1600? If so, click on the right video. Coming up, I put my Toro 1600 through the paces to mow my golf course lawn. This one's all about the mow. Hey YouTube, welcome to Project Golf Course Lawn Season 5. So this one is a really simple video. I've gotten lots of requests from you guys just to see the Greensmaster just in action, just a video of just me doing some mowing, and I am happy to oblige. So there's not going to be a whole lot of, there's no teaching, not a lot of commentary in this one. Literally, it's all about the Greensmaster laying down some stripe action on my back lawn. Hope you guys enjoy it. All right, YouTube, let's check out those results. So the sun's in a pretty good spot in the sky right now, so I'll show you guys the lawn from various angles. As you guys can see, the Greensmaster does a pretty good job. I mean, the Tru Cut was good as well, but it never cut quite like that. And those stripes are looking very, very good, very on point. Let me rotate to give you guys a view facing the house. I'm not sure if any of the lengthways stripes will also show up here too. Again, the sun's in a pretty decent part of the sky. The best time of day for stripes are like super early in the morning for my lawn, or around 4 or 5 in the afternoon. So we're about that time right now, so in the morning. So we'll see if this comes through pretty well for you guys. So from this angle, I didn't do the best job mowing them straight, but still, at least you guys get an idea of what the mower is capable of. As far as height of cut, for this one, I was set to 0.70, so not super low. Remember, if you guys have seen my video on, actually a video is coming up soon, on mowing the front lawn, 0.70 is the sweet spot for my lawn. That allows me to get cut all areas of the lawn, front and back, still get some good stripes and not have any scalping. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, this one was all about the mow, something different, try to mix it up a little bit. A couple of you guys have asked me for it, so I figured I'd try it out. If you guys like this kind of content, let me know. I'm not gonna do a ton of it because, again, it's really just watching me run a lawnmower. So if you guys enjoy that, I'll do a little bit more of it. But if not, at least you've got one video that you can take a look at. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, all that fun jazz. I will see you guys next time. Have an amazing day.